Thank you. An update now on a story we have covered a lot lately. For so many Indiana families, finding affordable child care can be such a hurdle.
So today, Governor Mike Braun visited a local child care center and heard from parents. Our State House reporter Emily Longnecker was there as the governor laid out his plan to help.
Welcome. Good to be here. We're the rhinos.
Little people using little tables and little chairs. But the debate over funding child care centers like this one on Indy's east side is a big one.
We appreciate all that the administration did to help with getting more funding for CCDF.
Yep.
That's critical for our families.
It's going to be a priority going forward.
Tuesday afternoon, Shepherd Community Early Learning Scholars provided the backdrop for a discussion about that issue, with a visit from Governor Mike Braun to the center that provides child care for kids ages 6 weeks to 4 years.
It's an infrastructure issue. These kids are our future.
In 2025, though, Indiana reduced spending on its child care voucher program, reducing access for some families, like this mom whose child was on a wait list for a voucher.
And it was a struggle.
That decision drew criticism from child care providers and advocates who argued the state was moving backward on access at a time when many working families were already struggling to afford care. Tuesday, the governor heard from her and other working moms who don't make enough to pay for child care on their own, so they get money to help from the state's Child Care Development Fund.
And without CCDF, it really would not even be possible. And so I'm very grateful for the funding that I do have with that.
In April, the State Budget Committee approved transferring $200 million into the child care voucher program. According to the state, that money helped an additional 14,000 more children, but thousands more remain on a wait list. Tuesday, Governor Braun said he plans to ask lawmakers to provide more funding for child care, pointing to a recent announcement that Indiana has a $4 billion surplus.
We need to do better, and now that we're going to have the resources to invest in it in other areas, and I think there's going to be an appetite among the legislators to do so.
The governor said he also plans to ask businesses to chip in too, by providing them incentives.
And I think the more we get it done, the more it's going to enhance our economy even further. So,
for the parents you see here, the new commitment is welcome, but providers say the challenge now is making sure funding keeps pace with the families who still need help. On the east side, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.